Okay. Hi, Zee. Can I ask you some questions?
Yeah.
Okay. You already watched do it yourself video, right?
Yeah.
So, what do you think about the video?
The video is so bored.
So?
Bored.
So boring.
Yeah.
How can you say the video is boring?
Because the characters are ugly
Rightly. The acting?
and the acting are not good.
Okay, and then?
The story is not good too.
Okay. What is the moral story that you can learn from the video?
We need to be grateful if someone help us.
Okay, good job. Why is it impossible for Helen to paint her own room?
Because he she is not a practical person
Okay, and then?
and she has a lunch appointment.
When is the lunch appointment?
1 o'clock.
At 1 o'clock. Okay. If Helen has lunch appointment at 1 o'clock and then she asks her friends to help her to paint her room, what time do you think David, Jane, Matt go to DIY store?
2 o'clock.
At
At 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock maybe. Okay, good job. So on their way to the DIY store, they are asking the pedestrian right about the direction to go to the DIY store. Why do you think they are asking the direction to the pedestrian?
Because they don't know the direction to go to the DIY store.
Okay, are they misguided?
Yes.
Yes, what?
Yeah. Yes.
Are they misguided?
Yes, they are.
At the end of the video, does Helen look dissatisfied with her room?
Yes.
Yes, why? Why do you think Helen looks dissatisfied with her room?
Because she doesn't like the color of her room.
What color is that?
Orange.
Why she doesn't like orange color?
Because it is ugly.
Because it is ugly. The orange color is actually the same color with matte t-shirt, right? So what does Helen think about matte t-shirt and also her own room?
And thinks
She thinks
it is horrible.
it is horrible. Okay. Who is your favorite actor?
The pedestrian.
The pedestrian. Why do you like the pedestrian?
Because he is kind.
He is kind. Why can you say he is kind?
Because
Are you a friend with the pedestrian?
no.
No, right? How can you say that?
Because he tells the direction to the DIY store.
Okay, good job. Do you like to go to the DIY store?
No.
No. Why?
Never.
You never go to the DIY store.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you like to go to Gramedia?
No.
No, that's it. Okay. This one. Do you still know about a practical?
Yes.
How can you say someone is a practical person?
If
If they
can draw
can draw, okay,
and fix something,
fix something, okay,
done.
then, okay. So, are you a practical person or not?
No.
No. Why?
Oh yes, miss. I forgot.
Yes.
Okay.
So are you are a practical person? Why?
Uh, because I can draw.
Okay. Can you paint your own room?
No.
No, but you can still fix something.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So you are a practical person.